So, as we discussed in our yesterday's class, we discussed the solid pressure. So, if you have noticed it, the pressure exerted by solids, if you know, take it any kind of solid. So, all of you observe very carefully. Solids, if I place on the surface, for example, I kept a cube on the surface. So, remember, the pressure exerted by the cube is only exerted on the contacting surface, means the surface which is contacting is only will experience the pressure. So that is why we will say solids always will exert pressure in only in one direction. Do you understand what I'm saying, everybody? Solids only will exert pressure on only in one direction. That is whatever the surface which is contacting, that surface only will experience that pressure. Do you understand, everybody, what I'm saying? The force experienced by the whole weight or whole force of this cube is only exerting only on the contacting surface. If I place rectangle, suppose cuboid, so as yesterday's example, so if I take a cuboid, if I have taken all of you, so cuboid, three different positions I can keep. So what is that actually? It is having length, it is having breadth, and it is having what? Everybody, height. Am I right or wrong? So length into breadth into height, which will give you volume of the cuboid, if you have taken. Now this cuboid, I can place on the table in a three different position. First one, length and breadth are in contact. Length and breadth are in contact. Second one, breadth and height, means I can make it stand like this. I can make it stand like this so that breadth and height it is standing. Next, I can put it length and height which are touching to the surface. Like that, three different positions I can place the cuboid on the surface. Do you understand, everyone? So that is why if you take the cube, this is cube. So cube in any direction you put on the surface, only side into side. All the sides are equal. So pressure exerted by cube is always equal on the ground. But if you take the cuboid, the pressure exerted by this case, the pressure exerted by this case, the pressure exerted by this case, is it equal or not equal, everybody? Yes, please. The pressure is not equal because the contacting area to the ground, is it same or different, everybody? It is different. So as the pressure contacting area is different, then the pressure exerted by the cuboid is also different on the ground. So what is the pressure? Always keep it in mind. So solids will exert pressure only in how many directions, everybody? Solids exert pressure only in pressure only in one direction. That is also which direction? The contacting surface. Understanding? So whatever it is contacting to the ground, that is the only place where the pressure of the solid will experience it. So now once again I'm saying, whenever area, keep it in mind, area and pressure both are inversely proportional to each other. If area of contact increases, pressure decreases. If area of contact is decreasing, pressure increasing. Both are inversely proportional to each other. So that is why in the textbook, they have given the first example. You can notice it. That's why I told you to solve. I don't know. Nobody will solve. What is this? I don't. When I say something, you have to do it correct. So now if you have noticed, this is what? So same cuboid actually. So this is a wooden block which looks like a cuboid. So it is having a three different things you can see. So this is a length, or this is a height or width, breadth and height. You can take it. Now the wooden block is kept that so that this length and breadth are in contact. So in this case, what is the area, everybody? The mass is remains constant. So area is equals to how much, everyone? Speak loudly. 20 centimeter into, yes, respond, 10 centimeter. So area is equals to 200 square centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter. But area must be in what units, everyone? Respond, everybody. SI units. So that we have to multiply what? 200 into 1 square centimeter equals how many square meters, guys? You say means okay, otherwise I won't teach. Yesterday only I taught you. 1 square centimeter equals to how many square meters? Everybody.
10 minus 4.
10 power
10
minus
minus 4 meter square.
square meter. Clear, everyone? So you have to find the first area. And next one. They have not given force also. Force is equals to what is the formula? Mass into acceleration due to gravity. So we all know mass equals to how much they have given, everybody? Yes, please. A block of wood is kept on a table. What is the mass? What is the mass of that? Everybody?
5 kg.
5
5
kg.
kg.
So 5 kg it is actually. So mass is 5 kg. So what is the force you have to act? So what is the force acting on that we have to calculate? What is the acceleration due to gravity?
So
Anybody?
what is the force exerted, sir?
Yeah, force is attraction, G value. So what is that? 9.8 meter per second square. So F is equals to M into G, which is equals to 5 into, you take 10 also, nothing wrong. So how much it is? 50
Yes.
newtons. How much? 50 newtons. Because we are in Earth, correct, Mari. Earth means 9.8. If it is in moon, what will happen, guys? You have to multiply with what? 5 into 1.
1.63.
Meter per second square, that is what? Kg, which is equals to Newton's will. So like that, you have to first find the force and then you have to substitute in the pressure. So now I will make it this one more simplified. All of you observe. Whenever the area will comes in the square centimeter, for example, we got here, area is equals to, remember, if mass is given, you have to find the force or thrust. Force or thrust is equals to, or weight is equals to, all are same formula. What is the formula? Weight or thrust or force, which is equals to what? M into G. Clear, everybody? So mass is 5 kg and G value is 9.8. If you have done that, what is the answer? 9.8 into 5. Everyone have it? Either you can take 9.8 because it is earth, so that you can take 9.8. If you want, you can take 10 also. So what is the answer, guys? 9.8 into 5. Please respond. 49 newtons. Now, area we got it, contracting area, 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter. All of you observe, if you are enough smarter, I will write this one is like 200 square centimeter. Yesterday we studied that 1 square meter, I will write as a 1 meter into 1 meter. So 1 meter equals to how many centimeters, guys? 1 meter equals to how many centimeters? 100 centimeter. Another meter is also equals to 100 centimeter. Please speak and involve in the class. 100 into 100, how much, Amma? 100 into 100, how much? Everybody. 10,000 square centimeter. So 10,000 only can I write as a 10 power 4? Everybody? Yes, please respond. Yes, but we want reverse relation now. So 1 square centimeter is equals to 10 power minus 4 square meter. Yes, clear? So anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. So now if you have noticed it, this one you can see, always you have to convert into meters. So square meters. So I will write as a 200 into 10 power, speak loudly, 10 power minus 4 square meter. Now you can see 200 also I can write as a, can I write as a 2 into 100? Any problem for anybody? Mari, Sam, 2 into 100, 200. Any problem? No problem.
No.
No, sir.
100 can I write as a 10 square? Any problem, Nivedan? Those who are not involving in the class, you can leave. No issues.
Oh.
Now 2 into 10 power 2 and 10 power minus 4. What is the answer? 10 power?
Minus 2.
Minus
2 square meter. This is beginning you can do normally. Later you have to do very fastly. So now that's all. What is the pressure? What is the pressure formula? Pressure formula, weight by area or thrust by area or force by area. Ellame same the thrust by area. That's all. So pressure is equals to 49 newtons and divided by 2 into 10 power minus 2. This is Newton and this is square meter. So Newton per square meter, I can write something. Anybody can tell? Newton per square meter. What is that, guys? Pascal.
Pascal.
Now see,
Pascal.
10 power minus 2 will go up. It will become what, guys? Directly don't disturb it. 10 power minus 2 will go up. It will become what?
10 power 2.
Okay, wow. 10 power 2. Very good. Next into 49 divided by 2, how much, guys? Just exactly tell me. 49 divided by 2, how much? Half. Half of the 49. 24 point.
24.5.
24.5.
Answer. Over, guys. You no need to modify further also. That is your perfect answer. Physics always will write in the form
So can
of
we cancel it?
what you can cancel, Mari.
2 and 45.
2 and 45, you will cancel. Howra?
2 and 49, sir.
Yeah, you want, you can cancel. I'm writing exactly half, that's all. Okay. Because we are familiar in that. Purima. Understand? Everybody? So now if you want, you can multiply also. So 24.5 into 100. How much, guys? 10, it will go decimal. So 2450 pascals. Over. Answer. Understand, Nivedan? Kishore? Agalya?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is.
sir.
So next what they have given. 40 and 20 are in contact. 40 and 20, second part. 40 and 20 are in contact. Third part, if you want, you can take it. Book it is not there. Next, what else remaining? 40 and 10 is in contact. Purima. So in this case, what is the area? Fastly tell me. If you are enough smart, let me see how much you pass you can do. 800 square centimeter. 800 means, can I write as a 8 into 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 4 square centimeter, sorry, square meters, which is equals to 8 into 10 power minus 2 square meter. Will you all agree with me? Everybody? Yes, please. All of you. And this is
Yes, sir.
400 square centimeter, which I can write as a 4 into 10 power 2 into 1 square centimeter equals to 10 power. Speak loudly. 10 power minus 4. Understand? If you don't know this exam, you cannot solve anything. So 4 into 10 power minus 2 square meter. Am I right, everyone? Area. This is not there in the book, but still you solve. It is okay. Okay, guys. Everybody. Sanjay. That's what it is. So please make sure you are solving your thing. Solve it. Any doubt, anybody can ask. Understanding? So this is the area. So you can calculate it now. So mass, that weight is remains constant. So weight is equals to 49 Newton divided by 8 into 10 power minus 2, which is equals to 49 divided by 8 into 10 power 2 pascals. Over. 49 divided by 8. Do it and tell me, everybody. 49 divided by 8. Make it quick. It will come around 6125 into 6.125 into 10 power 2 Pascal, which is equals to 612.5 Pascals. It is less or more. Now see, area increases. Area increases. So pressure decreases or increases? Area increases. Pressure decreases or increases? Everybody?
Decreases.
Decreases. You
Decreases.
understand? This is the second case. Let me take pressure in second case. This is pressure in first case. Now pressure in third case will explain. So pressure in third case, which is equals to again force by area. So force is 49 newtons. 49 newtons divided by area is how much? 4 into 10 power minus 2 square meter, which is equals to 10 power 2 minus 2 will go up. It will become 10 power 2. So 49 divided by 4. So make it fast and tell me 49 divided by 4. How much answer? 49 divided by 4. 12.25 into 10 power 2 Pascal, which is equals to 1225 Pascal. Any problem? Anybody you can ask. So which is greater? Everybody? P1 is greater than next. P3 is greater than P2. Am I right? Will you all agree with me? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, all of you. But area is what? This one. A3, sorry, A2 is greater than, A3 is greater than A1. Area. Am I right, everyone? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So see that, everybody. Maximum pressure, minimum area. Minimum pressure, maximum area. That is what we will say. Pressure is inversely proportional to area of contact. So solids will exert pressure only on how many surfaces? One surface or only contacting surface or every direction? Everybody? Yes, please.
Only one.
Only one surface. So please remember, solids always will exert pressure where they are contacting surface alone, they will exert the pressure. Any problem for anybody? You can ask me, or else you go to question. Are you clear, everybody? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So do it. Solve it. I want to know. Everybody has, you have to be very familiar in these concepts. Please remember, these are the most important concepts always which you need to work. That's what is my expectation. Kavya, Sangamitra, Alfin, 3, Narasini, Darshan. Good morning, Hasini, Sudhakar. Yesterday absent. Have you watched the video? Yesterday video. Have you understand this today's concept? Yesterday also I taught this, but you are not there. But I'm asking you. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
You have to be very familiar in the conversions, whomever it is. If you are good in conversions, none can stop us. If you are not good in conversions, everything will be problematic. So that's what I'm saying. So try to good in calculations always. Niroshi, understand Niroshi? Prithvi?
Yes, sir.
Lakshay, I think you have a number. You can join with that. Okay, everybody. Princey, clear Princey, Pranav. So please remember that always. Everyone. So whenever area is given in square centimeter, you must convert into what? Square meter. This is CGS unit. And you have to convert into what? You have to convert into SI unit. Princey, I am calling you, but no response. So you are not listening. That's what. So 1 square meter is equals to, please learn always, 10 power 4 square centimeter. Same way reverse. 1 square centimeter is equals to 10 power minus 4 square meter. So whenever area will comes in square centimeter, you must multiply with what? 10 power, everybody. 10 power minus 4. Purima Ellame. That is what. Now, today's class we are going to study the pressure exerted by liquids and what is the formula for pressure exerted by the liquids. Keep it in mind, if you want to study the pressure exerted by the liquid, two things you have to study. One is density. So can you tell me what do you mean by density of the substance? Density is equals to what? Speak loudly. Density is equals to, everybody? Mass by volume. Understand? So mass by volume. Density symbol is rho and mass symbol is capital M. Volume symbol is capital V. So from that, this is the first thing you should remember one. And the second one is mass is equals to density into volume. So please remember these two things. If you have remembered these two, then we are going to study directly liquid pressure. So please all of you keep a day. Liquid pressure is not liquid pressure, you can take it as a fluid pressure. So fluid means, as I said yesterday, we're having two examples for fluid. What is the fluids, everyone? What is the example?
Liquid and gas.
Yes, fluids means the substances which can flow easily is called fluids. So what are the examples of fluids, everybody? What are the examples of fluids? Both liquids and
Water.
yeah, liquids and gases. Both are called it as fluids. But do you think both liquids and gases are same? Everybody? Is liquids and gases are same? No. Do you understand? So liquids and gases they are not same, but the both pressure exerted by liquids or pressure exerted by gases, it's the same actually. But remember, liquids you can keep it in a open container because they do not have what? No particular shape. Do you understand, everybody? So no particular shape, but having a what? Fixed volume. They have a fixed volume, liquids. Understanding? That is why you can keep it in a even open container. But if it comes to the gases, what will happen, guys? Everybody? Gases, the particles are more for each other or less for each other? Everybody? They are more
More for-
for each other. Means force of attraction, less or more? Force of attraction,
Less.
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 These particles, we cannot keep it in a open container. Always they have to keep it in a which container? Everybody?
Close.
Yeah,
Yes.
closed container. So both are liquid fluids only, but there is a lot of differences between liquids and gases. So liquids and gases both are fluids, but they do not have understanding common properties. So here force of attraction is more, here force of attraction is less. Here there is a fixed volume, but here no fixed shape. Okay. Do you understand, everybody? All of you? But in gases, what is happening? In gases, they do not have fixed shape and they do not have fixed, yes please, fixed volume also.
Volume.
Understanding? No fixed shape and no fixed volume. So that is why they have to always keep it in a what container? Closed container or open container? Everybody? They have to keep it in a closed container. Clear? So gases, because they will escape in that. Now, the first thing I'm saying, remember, liquids and gases, particles cannot be in a particular place. Always they will move in a different directions. They will displace us within a fluid. If I release the gas can go anywhere. So gases and liquids, they will exert the pressure in between them and also on the walls of the container, not only in one direction. As I said, the liquids and gases will exert pressure on walls of the container also. That is the differences between solids and fluids. Do you understand, everybody? All of you? What I'm saying? Clear, everyone? So for example, if you have noticed it, if you take, for example, I have a water in the container. If I place a hole at the bottom, the water will start leaking. If I place it the left hand side, here also water will come out or not? Only bottom will come or only anywhere? If I make the hole at any point, water will start coming or not? Everybody? Yes, please. Respond.
Yes.
Yes. So that is what. So liquids always will exert pressure among each other. Means every particle is having pressure between them, and also they will exert the pressure on the where? Everybody? They will exert the pressure on the walls of the container. Do you understand, everyone? So that is the differences between solids and fluids. Now, if you take it, everybody, the fluid pressure, if you want to consider, what is the mathematical expression for fluid pressure? Very, very important one. So even 11th class, you'll get again fluid dynamics. So by the time again you have to study everything very perfectly. So mathematical expression for fluid pressure. So but your 9th class, you have only what is the meaning of fluid pressure. You don't have any mathematical, but this is also very simple and very important. So simply, if you want to say what is fluid pressure, anybody can tell me? What is fluid pressure? The pressure exerted by a fluid is called it as a what? Everybody? The pressure exerted by a fluid is called it as fluid pressure. That's all it is. Okay. So write it. Definition. Fluid.
The pressure exerted by both fluids and gases.
No, fluid,
Liquid
gases
and
also
gases.
fluids. Yes, yes, that's what. Write it. The pressure exerted by a fluid is known as fluid pressure. The pressure exerted by a fluid, pressure exerted by a fluid is known as fluid pressure. And one more thing, the particles inside a fluid, they are in a particular motion or they are in a random motion. The particles inside a liquid or inside a gas, they are in a random motion. always continuously moving here and there. They always goes here and there. And that is why they are in a random motion, or we can say zigzag motion. Chemistry I have taught you. Do you remember everybody? All of you? Zigzag
sir.
motion. Yeah, random motion or zigzag motion. We studied the properties of liquid. First chapter, I think. Are you remember or not? Everyone, please respond.
Yes.
And when they are in zigzag motion, they will collide each other or not? Everybody? Yeah, Brownian motion, Sanjay. Very good. Brownian motion or random motion or zigzag motion. So when they are in collide each other, when they are in a random motion, is they will collide each other or not? Everybody? Yes, please. The collision will take place or not? Particles will hit each
Yes,
other or
sir.
not? Yes, they will hit each other, as well as they will also, understanding, collide with the walls of the container. That is why liquids and gases, they will exert the pressure throughout the liquid. Please note it, everybody. Solids will exert only pressure on what? Solids will exert only pressure on bottom surface. And liquids and gases, means fluids, will exert the pressure in throughout the liquid or throughout the fluid. Please note it, very, very important. Throughout the fluid, the pressure is exerted. All the walls of the container and among itself, the particles itself, they will exert the pressure. So now, let us see, when the in this process, when the particles are keep on hitting, again, the physics concept call it as momentum. So particles are keep on hitting, the velocity keep on changes. So momentum will change it or not? Everybody, please respond. The momentum will change or not? Yes, everyone, momentum will change. Note it this point also. So when the process, in the process of hitting the particles each other, the velocity changes, so that what is happening, guys? The momentum also, yes, please. Momentum also changes. Clear, everybody? Please respond, guys. All of you?
Yes.
Yes. So that is what. So the force exerted per unit area is actually exerted by the fluid on the walls of the container. So it will exert the pressure among themselves. Each particle is exerting pressure on another particle, as well as they are exerting pressure on the walls of the container also. So now we are going to find the mathematical expression for this fluid pressure. So till here, please note it, everybody. Just a minute, we'll continue. Make it quick, everyone. All of you. Understand, everybody? All of you? Shall we start now? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hasini, understand, Hasini? Okay. So now, if you want to study the mathematical expression for fluid pressure, let me take some liquid. Okay, gas also you can take, doesn't matter. So you can take, I have taken a liquid in the container. And what is the height of the liquid? Everybody? Container height not. What is the height of the liquid I have taken here? You can see that. What is the height of the liquid, everybody?
H.
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 Clear? Height of the liquid is H. And definitely this is a liquid, means definitely is the density is remain same, or definitely this liquid is having some density. Am I right or wrong? Will you all agree with me? So let me take density is rho. The density of the liquid is what? Everyone, density of liquid is what?
Rho.
Rho. And area of cross section of the beaker. Area of cross section of the beaker, I will take it as A. What is the area of cross section of the beaker?
A.
Okay. So now you can notice it, everybody. So we all knows that pressure is equals to, what is the formula? Starts from here, I will start. Pressure is equals to, what is the formula?
Force by area.
Force by area, write it neatly. This is for solid pressure actually. So, but still we will, with this only we'll solve. So which is equals to force by, speak loudly, force by area. Clear everyone? So now, the force exerted by the liquid, the force F is basically equals to something. Can you tell me? Anybody? What is that? Equals to something. That is only, what is that guys? Force is equals to something. What is that? Equals to weight of the liquid. Purima ellame. Weight of the liquid. Clear everyone? So now if you notice it, so what is the weight? Weight is equals to what? What is the formula? Weight is equals to mg. So what do you mean by m? M means what? Mass of liquid.
The body.
G means what? Everybody. G means
Acceleration.
Due
acceleration
to gravity.
due to gravity. Any problem for anybody? Now, I don't know mass, but I know the density. I know the volume. Let it be. So
So
density.
will the density be constant?
Yes, man. So the density of the liquid is remains constant, correct, Marin? I'm not saying every liquid. I have whatever the liquid I have taken, the density is remains constant only. Yeah? If I take another liquid, another density. Purima,
Yes, sir.
density is equals to what is the formula? Everybody. Mass by
Volume.
volume. From that, mass is equals to. Speak loudly. Mass is equals to.
Density into volume.
Density into
into rho.
yeah, density into volume. So please remember that. So in place of mass, can I write it what? Everybody. So weight is equals to force is equals to. In place of mass, what I can write, guys? Density into volume
Yes.
into G. Any problem for anyone? Are you all clear?
No, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
No. All of you observe very carefully. I will write density into G separately. Volume. So volume means, what is the unit of volume? Anybody? I have taught you for cuboid. What is the unit of volume? Anyone? Area equals to square meter, or we can say square centimeter. Same way, volume units, can you tell me? Volume
Cubic
means
meter.
side into side into side, or length into breadth into height. If it is a cuboid, if it is
Cubic meter or cubic centimeter.
yeah, cubic meter, or we can say cubic. You have to speak.
Cubic centimeter.
Cubic centimeter. Unless you have attention, it is not possible. Now you observe very carefully. Mr. Nivedan, can I write 2 cube means, can I write as a 2 square into 2? Is it right or wrong? Anybody?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it wrong? Asani Sudhakar? Agalya, is it wrong, Agalya? 2 cube means, can I write as a 2 square into 2?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same way, can I write a cubic meter means? Can you tell me, Shivani, how I can write? Cubic meter. Cubic meter means, how I can write? Anybody?
Meter square into meter.
Meter square into meter. Can I write it, everyone? Speak
Yes,
loudly,
sir.
guys. Yes. Now, square meter is something, unit of something. Anybody tell? Square meter is a
Area.
unit of something. Yes, please.
Area.
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 Meter is the unit of. Meter is the unit of.
Height.
Yes, please.
Height.
Everybody, height. So,
Distance, height.
yes. Cubic meter is a unit of. Cubic meter is a unit of. Volume.
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 So, in place of volume, can I write it as a what? Everybody. In place of volume, can I write as a area into?
Height.
Into height into density into G. That's all it is equals to weight. Weight is equals to force. So I will replace this one in the formula over. So area into H into rho into G. So which is equals to force. So now pressure is equals to force by area. So Kishore, doing a Kishore, area into H into rho into G divided by area. So something cancel. Anybody tell? What will cancel?
Area.
Area will get cancelled. So pressure exerted by fluid, PF. PF, what do you mean by PF? Everybody? PF, pressure exerted by fluids.
Fluids.
H into rho into G. Modify according to pronunciation, rho GH.